my name is Logan and I'm from 13415 Electric Storm, and today I will be showing you how to coil a custom cable. This is our robot. We have an arm that goes up, and as you can tell it goes up pretty high, so we wouldn't want just one singular wire going up because it would get caught in the arm. So what we're going to do is we're going to coil it up like this one right here. And to do that we need a cable first, but this cable has to be longer than what like the distance is here to here, so then you can coil it. And because if you need like more than you thought you had, you would already have it. And it's also easier to get rid of cable than it is to add on. These are all the things you will need to make your coiled cable. These are the things you need to make a coiled cable. You have your cable here, obviously. You need a longish wooden dowel. You need some tape that does not melt under heat. That is very crucial, make sure. Also, safety glasses, safety first, and then your heat gun. And some things that could be nice are a ruler and a marker or some sort of thing that isn't the same color as your cable. Now that we have our wire, we're going to our control hub so it's not coiled all the way to the end, and so you can cut it off if you don't need it. I'm going to make this bit 12 inches, so I'm just going to mark it with this little thingy right here. Now I'm going to do the same to the other end. Now that we have our dowel here, we're going to start wrapping the coil. We're going to start at the little part of the snake and start wrapping. And now once you get it all wrapped up, you're going to take some Scotch tape, so I'm just going to... And now it's time for the heat. Now when you have the heat gun, make sure you don't get your fingers close to it because it can get very hot. So that's why I would grab this part of the dowel and have the heat gun and heat it up right here. And it's okay if you heat up the tape. It's not going to melt. That's why we chose this kind. So, yeah. And now you just let it sit here and cool down for a while. I would say roughly about like an hour, maybe 2 hours. Or if it's cold outside, you can just like run around with it outside. And now it has been a while and it is cold to the touch now, so we can take this off.
coiled wire. And now, to get it to, now to actually use it, you would have to cut this in half or something, but you want these ends, and then you'd splice it to the 4 wires that are in here, and then you'd get yourself a working cable.